Welcome to our presentation on the importance of vegetables in our daily diet. Today, we will explore the variety, nutritional content, and benefits of vegetables, as well as tips for choosing and cooking them.
Classifying vegetables. Vegetables can be classified according to the part of the plant they represent. Above the ground, fruits and seeds, flowers, leaves and stems. Below ground, tubers, bulbs and roots.
Fruit vegetables. These vegetables are the fruits of the plant. Examples include tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, corn on the cob, and courgettes. Tomatoes are high in vitamins C and K, as well as potassium. Seed vegetables. These vegetables are the seeds of the plant. Examples include peas and broad beans. Peas are a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamins A, C, and B6. Flower vegetables. These vegetables are the flowers of the plant. Examples include cauliflower and broccoli. Both are rich in vitamins C and K, as well as folate. Leafy vegetables. These vegetables are the leaves of the plant. Examples include cabbage, lettuce, spinach, and watercress. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, including calcium and iron. Stem vegetables. These vegetables are the stems of the plant. Examples include celery and asparagus. Celery is low in calories and high in vitamin K. Tuber vegetables. These vegetables are the tubers of the plant. Examples include potatoes, Jerusalem artichokes, and yams. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. Bulb vegetables. These vegetables are the bulbs of the plant. Examples include onions, shallots, and leeks. Onions are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. Root vegetables. These vegetables are the roots of the plant. Examples include carrots, parsnips, turnips, and radishes. Carrots are particularly high in carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Fungi. These are not technically vegetables, but they are often included in the vegetable category. Examples include shiitake, button, portobello, enoki, oyster, and porcini. Our top 10 vegetables. Keep watching to see if we included your favorite vegetables in our top 10 list. 1. Spinach. Rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. 2. Carrot. High in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Carrots are top of the league table in carotene content. 3. Broccoli. Contains vitamins C and K, and folate. Broccoli also provides some iron. 4. Potato. Good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. 5. Tomato. High in vitamins C and K, and potassium. 6. Peas. Contains protein, fiber, and vitamins A, C, and B6. Peas are about 6% protein. 7. Onion. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. 8. Celery. Low in calories and high in vitamin K. 9. Bok choy. High in vitamins A, C, and K. 10. Edamame. High in protein, fiber, and vitamins A and C.
Check out this colourful array of veggies. 5 refreshing celery stalks, a whole bell pepper, 10 juicy cherry tomatoes, a whole cucumber, and 25 sweet snap peas. And the best part, you can enjoy all of these for just 50 calories each. These vegetables are not only low in calories, but they're packed with vitamins, minerals and fibre, making them a great choice for a healthy snack. Just make sure you wash them thoroughly before eating, and enjoy!
Cooking vegetables to preserve color and nutrients. When cooking vegetables, it's important to use methods that help preserve their color, texture, and nutritional content. Here are 12 tips to consider. 1. Avoid soaking in cold water. Soaking vegetables in cold water can lead to a loss of water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C. Instead, rinse them quickly under running water. 2. Use a sharp knife. Cutting vegetables with a sharp knife minimizes cell disruption, which can lead to a loss of vitamin C. 3. Tear the leaves of green vegetables. Tearing leaves, instead of cutting them, prevents the release of the enzyme ascorbic acid oxidase, which can reduce vitamin C levels. 4. Avoid using an iron knife. Iron can increase the rate of oxidation of vitamin C. Use stainless steel or ceramic knives instead. 5. Use acids like lemon juice to preserve the color of plant foods that are prone to enzymic browning. 6. Blanch. Blanching vegetables can prevent browning and help preserve their color and nutrients. 7. Avoid cooking in a copper pan. Copper speeds up the rate of oxidation of vitamin C. Use stainless steel or non-stick pans instead. 8. Use minimal water. Cooking vegetables with a small amount of water helps prevent the loss of water-soluble vitamins. 9. Place food in boiling water. Starting with boiling water denatures the enzyme ascorbic acid oxidase, reducing losses of vitamin C. 10. Leave the lid off for the first minute or two when cooking green vegetables. This preserves the bright green color by removing volatile acids that can cause color changes. 11. Cook quickly for the minimum time. Prolonged cooking increases oxidation and reduces vitamin C levels. 12. Never add bicarbonate of soda to the cooking liquid, especially not with cabbage. Alkalis increase the rate of oxidation of vitamin C, reduce thiamin levels, and cause breakdown of cell structure. By following these tips, you can enjoy vegetables that are vibrant in color and rich in nutrients.
Can you guess what vegetable this is? Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you.
Preserving, buying, and storing vegetables. Vegetables can be preserved in various ways, including canning, drying, freezing, pickling, and making chutney. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. For example, canning may affect the color and texture of vegetables, while freezing preserves the nutritional content. Dried vegetables have a lower vitamin C content, but other nutrients become more concentrated. When buying fresh vegetables, look for those that are firm, bright in color, and free from visible blemishes. Store them in a cool, dry place to prolong their freshness and vitamin C content. Vegetables, being perishable, require proper storage to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. The way you store them can significantly impact their texture, flavor, and nutrient content. Here are 2 guidelines and tips. 1. Roots, bulbs, and tubers. These vegetables, such as potatoes, onions, and carrots, can shrivel once they are out of the ground. If exposed to sunlight, they might sprout. For short-term storage of these, use a vegetable rack, preferably away from bright light. To prevent them from drying out, a covering of polythene may be used. However, ensure there's free circulation of some air to prevent rot. 2. Stems, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds. These should be used as soon as possible. They should be stored dry, wrapped loosely in newspaper, in polythene, or in a beeswax wrap to prevent withering due to moisture loss. Also, a vegetable drawer in a refrigerator is useful for this type of produce. It's advisable not to store them for more than 2 to 3 days in a refrigerator. Top 5 snack ideas with vegetables. 1. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up carrots, celery, and peppers and serve with hummus. 2. Stuffed bell peppers. Fill bell peppers with a mixture of quinoa, black beans, and corn. 3. Zucchini chips. Slice zucchini into lengthways, season, and bake until crispy. 4. Cucumber sandwich alternatives. Use cucumber slices as bread, and fill with cream cheese and smoked salmon. 5. Veggie Spring Rolls. Fill rice paper rolls with a variety of fresh vegetables and serve with a dipping sauce. In conclusion, vegetables are packed with nutrients that are essential for our health, so we need to include them in our diet. They provide vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. For example, vitamin A, beta-carotene, is important for eye health, vitamin C helps with wound healing, and dietary fiber aids in digestion. Vegetables have a high water content, making them low in energy density. They also contain small amounts of protein and fat, with pulses like peas containing more protein.
And for those of you who waited, the answer to that question earlier was these are jalapeno peppers. Did you get it right?
Thanks for watching.